show.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know, say man, they say they in the next side. You see, next media. Expect you know, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Alright. Subscribe to the channel, you know. You see it?
Yeah.
Next media.
Alright. Never know if you still have one restaurant dress as you here, man. Okay. So what I want to sell?
Breakfast alone, deal.
Breakfast alone on the deal now. Oh, so breakfast done and out.
Just some clean up.
Yeah. Alright.
Set everything up.
So the storm, you have to prepare yourself and you don't feel like it all come.
Where can I start?
Them say storm come to Jamaica.
I find me born here say Jesus I come, so storm
And then
before
storm
Jesus.
come, no? Something
No,
wrong.
from me born here say Jesus I come.
Yeah.
2000.
Alright, people, so I'm going to show now I'm going for the fire station. So fire station right here, so. Yeah, people, this is the nice fire truck. See, it look brand new and nice. Yeah. Alright, people, so we are passed through the fire station lane, see here. It looks like this not even working again. Yo, YouTube, right? Alright, people, so we still in the fire station lane, see here. And this is a general right now, you see it?
My name 4G, otherwise.
4G. How you do 4G? A mechanic?
Yeah, man.
Okay, mad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And this now too, we can't wear the white pants. We have to put the white up here
Yeah.
and wear any other pants.
Okay.
So look at the ear up here.
Yeah. It's
Right
the hairstyle,
on.
mad, people.
Baker Street, all up on Baker Street have a white somewhere.
Hold on, how should we find Baker Street? The
Right
street here,
here-
the street
right
here out there
here
right now?
stand, right here
Alright.
stand.
Alright,
So-
people. So I never realized that Baker Street is name, so him correct it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we soon be here now, I'm gonna wash up my hair. And if you know white, we paint it white.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright.
Set everything up.
So the storm, you have to prepare yourself and you don't feel like it all come.
Where can I start?
Them say storm come to Jamaica.
I find me born here say Jesus I come, so storm
Yeah,
I
and
come
then
before
storm
Jesus.
come, no? Something
No,
wrong.
from me born here say Jesus I come.
Yeah.
2000. So storm I come before Jesus.
No, that's not possible. That's not possible. I'm not worry myself either.
Storm and come tonight. That's me do looting.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
We shouldn't have said that. But you don't know me now do looting.
Mm-hmm.
We just say that.
Yes, brother.
So everything up and running?
Yeah, man, everything good so far. I'm just
Yeah,
show
man.
people and want to go in a buff bay and
Yeah,
see new
man.
development or
Yeah.
them have fix the road.
Make sure
And
you
then
say Kitty Park wife dead. I mean to go up on Kitty Park bus. So at 2 nights I turning out.
Alright.
9 nights out. Somewhere out that way.
Okay. Oh, they set up. They say, I got a 9 night
She have
tonight.
a bury tomorrow.
Oh,
And
okay.
I want to go visit so she got under the ground that she can't come out back.
Yeah.
We don't have no problem.
No.
Nice meeting you.
Alright, brother. Yeah, people, general, no bad at all. So, he generally just did a talk a while ago. Oh, go on, shiny dog. You know, there's something. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, I see it. Yo, Brenty. Yo. What? You know, so I do me there, I do a little vlog now. Never know if you still have one restaurant dress as you know, man. Okay. So what I want to sell?
Breakfast alone, deal.
Breakfast alone on the deal now. Oh, so breakfast done and out.
Do some clean up.
Yeah. It's, so what kind of breakfast you did have this morning? Okay. Yeah. How price can it start from? 400 go up. Alright, one time then I'm going to make a pass through. From a member, alright? Alright people, so see we have Brenty them liquor shop right here. Right over there. So this side, that's it. Yeah. Alright, so you have one hairdressing shop right here. Yeah. Alright, so I'm right in the middle of the bay now. As you can see, we're going to White Plaza over there. So whole heap of things over there. So I'm gonna go over there and do a little vlog. I'm gonna see what's going over there. Alright. Alright, so downstairs you have the hairdressing shop. Let's see what's going on. Hairdressing shop downstairs. It's the White Plaza. Alright, so I take time toward the place until we circle. Alright, so let's see what's going on. Downstairs we have Videographyer store. Hello. Alright, so right here so we have a credit department. Yeah, Mr. Combs space right here. He sells shoes and every little thing. Look like that one here now. Not ready yet. And fine care, skin care and more. Right at White Plaza. Alright, so we'll go up the stairs now and see what's at the White Plaza. Yeah people, so right now we're at famous dessert and naan. Yeah, right here at White Plaza. Alright people, so we're going into famous dessert and naan right now. As you can see, they sell every little thing people. You see it? Yeah. I'm showing you what they sell. Smoothie. Like it's done to order though. And them have the bar over here. As you can see, in here is very convenient too. You can sit down and everything. Alright, so this place is convenient and so see what going on. So you can eat on food. Still have a little bar over there to see you here. So it's a good look. So make sure you want to stop right there next time when they're above here. Alright people. Alright people. Nice store right in here at White Plaza. See, they sell every little thing, female stuff. And this is a next shop nearby. Alright, these stairs now did lead up to the bar, Mr. White Bar, but it's locked down at the moment. Alright, so we're at the barber shop. I'm gonna see what we're going. Barber shop and hairdressing salon. Here's it. Alright, so I think somebody showing us here on internet. This is a rural solution company right here on the White Plaza. And I recently they opened right here also. So people in the rural valley, yeah, can get their internet because we at the country, I live at the country, and at them use to use it. Yeah, them make we have internet up our country. So big up rural solution company. Alright people, so we take our time and go up to First Avenue. Remember say stupid right just now, mommy. Alright, so this is our new bar right in a Emiglia town. You see it right in front of Georgie right there. So you see it people? Yeah, right that side there. Yo, Sammy G, why am this thing for drinking in a bar? Rum and bum? Or that on your style?
Start time, you know what thing.
Yeah, man. Alright, I soon circle, man. I just walk the street and forward, bro.
Yeah, man, do right.
Yeah, I soon circle. Now remember that little shop right here, sir? Alright. So over there so you have the Jane and cash pot and betting shop, gambling shop and everything. Right, this so you have the bar. Rough. Thing, man. I didn't see what I go on. Oh, you say have? Alright. Yeah, man. So, both be alone yourself or you walk all about the place? You're universal.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my G. Go and do your thing for you, man. Yeah.
Everywhere me go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, my G.
Power, scotch, right?
Bus stop. Yo, where are you now? There, no. Alright, so right just say I have the credit union. Alright, people, so I meet up my little brethren. Alright. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Based on woman, what you feel are the biggest problem if woman can't keep one man?
Boy, alright, you see another word right now in MG, it's like when woman can't keep one man, it's either one, maybe through the cheating thing is, but they don't say anybody are perfect, you know, you understand?
Yeah.
They don't say man not perfect, woman not perfect, you understand?
Yeah.
So you don't say if man can't even keep one woman, they don't say woman are going to do the same thing. You see them, eh? But you know, sometimes you have to live good with people, you know, man, you understand?
Yeah.
So you know, say, if a man I go to say I go cheat and know his man come back a yard and as woman I go find out, next day, John no star.
Yeah.
Done with the next man, you see it? So, we expect, nobody not perfect. You see, so that's why woman can even keep one man. And that's a man can keep even one woman.
Yeah, I mean, no, any man will say, oh, they never get hurt yet. Them man a real girlies. Or they not go through nothing.
Because
yeah, any girlies always have one girl where they really love.
you understand?
Yeah, that
Because
always
so,
happen.
you have some of them man, them are going to say them a waste man. Because the point is now, if you don't say you rate this girl and you don't say I go cheat out, it's the same way. You go back out and say go cheat and you don't say you rate the girl. That means you're not rating for the girl then.
True.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know, say man, they say they in the next side, you see it, X Media. Respect, you know, pick up yourself here.
Subscribe.
Alright, subscribe to the channel, you know, you see it.
Yeah.
X Media.
Alright. So which part would I find First Avenue? Up the road?
Yeah man, go right to see the car there. I just have to turn in the lane, you see it.
Turn Panda Lane here.
Panda Lane,
First Avenue there.
Right.
Alright.
You see the old police station, you see it?
Yeah. The brother beef, you can tell me, yo. What's on land in
Yeah, this one.
A general, listen on. Yeah.
People be winning people, you see it?
General. Yeah, my mechanic shop right over there, so. I have a church. I have a printing office right over the side here. I'm showing the back view. I'm gonna see which part I forward from. Wanna see what I'm going? George did on this one. You have a gas station sign there right on this one. Right on this one. Yeah, credit tune on over there. So. Yo. Alright, so then so this is the First Avenue. So I'm gonna show you how I'm going to the First Avenue now. As we finally reach First Avenue. Alright, so you see it, development are going everywhere, people. So right now it look like they're gonna make one nice house right here, people. You see it? And see have the workman them and like a man draw out him plan for lay the foundation and every little thing. You know, so everything you have to start from foundation. You see it, my G? Yeah, man, so I them a start out right now. So it's a good look, man. Alright, my G. Alright, over there so now you have the Buff Bay 7 SDA Church. Seventh-day Adventist Church, yeah. That's what SDA mean. Whoa, what going, cuz? Everything good? Oh yeah, I come from school. Okay, how is school going now? Birthday, 7th February. Okay, I'm going good, man. Yeah, man. Pick up yourself, cuz. If I'm like YouTube, no. You just get big so cuz. You can't believe my cousin this gets something, yeah, man. I'm going good, man. Alright, my cousin. Yeah. I'm going. Are we school? I see him school, I go. Okay. Over there, say school, eh? Yeah. Alright. Alright, people, so over there, so I did at the police station. Before them changed to the new one. So what they say I did there. So we still there, First Avenue, same way. Alright, so we're there, so I'll tour Buff Bay, people. Hopefully you enjoy the vlog here. Remember to click the bell and subscribe. Yo! I walk down a soupy. I'm going to soup. I'm going for soupy. Alright, people, so we have for soupy at the moment. I'm just walk on. So we have for soupy. Alright, so soupy there, right over to the left right here. If you remember. Yeah, man, I'm going to upgrade the place. That's going to see what I'm going. No, man, that's not soupy, that's a store. So there's a store right before you reach Soupy. Fashion store. We have Soupy right here, so underneath the tent. Yeah, I did know everything up. Alright, bro.